In this video, I am talking about the Nokia 6310 newly launched device, which is very simple. Let's go to unbox. The new Nokia comes with 3 different colors. There is a box content, just user manual, one simple headphone, and charger and battery. That's all. Simply install the battery and turn on mobile. The outdoor display visibility is good enough. There is a music player and a video player, also a VGA camera built in this mobile, and also a sound recording apps and a radio. There are 10 games also installed by default, and you can see even Ludo, Snake, Air Stick Extra. This audio calling and sound clearance is very good. Hey guys, sorry for my bad English. I am not expert in English. This is not my mother tongue. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe.